Hi everyone, my name is Elan and I am so excited to be part of the Build Your Better Skincare campaign by Odacite. I get to try out clean skincare beauty and test out some products for my skin that will hopefully help me with my pore size, fine lines that I'm starting to get as I enter into this phase of my 30s. Ooh, exciting stuff. Holy cow. They were not joking when they said they were here for me. I'm gonna hold this up to the camera, check this out. Look how much is packed in here. If this doesn't help my skin, then nothing will. I'm like, don't even know. Ooh, oh my God, check this out. Black cumin facial serum. Oh, this is for the pimples. Yes. Definitely need that. And it's so funny because in high school, I was one of those gals who had perfect skin. And then once I hit 30, it just all kind of that ship sunk. Ooh, the treatment mist. Okay, so I love a good mist. I legitimately love a good mist, especially living in California, where it gets dry all the dang time. Hands down, really excited for this one. Okay, this looks like a cool, little shaped box. Oh, okay, so this is from the Odacite private collection, An Autumn on the World. I don't know about everyone out there, but myself, especially being a woman of color and dealing with hyperpigmentation, I struggle with dark spots after I get a pimple. So I'm really excited for all of this. New sensation of youth and vital glow. Yes, definitely, sold.
I want to know more about your first impressions of your products.
Yes. So what came to mind first was the velvety feel of the sunscreen, because I of course put sunscreen on every single day, and that just feels so smooth. I have it on right now. It was incredible. Oh, so divine. I love that.
Awesome.
Yeah, everything feels so luxurious and rich, and you don't need a lot of it, and nothing has left my skin feeling tight or stripped or dry.
So good to hear. I'm really happy to hear. Would you say that you have any personal favorites that you just love going to right now? What's something you're super excited about trying when you go into your routines?
If I had to choose, I really love the consistency and the satin feel of the Montana cleanser, oil cleanser. That just feels so good on my skin. And I would say all of the serums. Oh, the vitamin C serum is another one that feels really good. I know that's from the private collection, but that feels really smooth going on.
That's awesome. I'm so happy to hear that. So in your kit, you did get another little serum treatment that was the Ac+R. The easiest way that I think that we can incorporate this is to actually cocktail it with your green smoothie. So what you're gonna do then is you're actually gonna take a couple drops and mix it up nice and easy.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. And then you just do that same thing that you've always been doing. You just dot it around your skin. Perfect. So you have the hydrating and calming benefits of the green smoothie, mixed in with a little shot of antioxidants at the same time. I was going to mention too, since we did also send you the Bl+C, the pimple serum, I would say use this as a spot treatment if you do start to feel a pretty significant breakout coming through.
And is that after or before clogged pores?
So I would do this before clogged pores. That's a really good question, because again, it is more of a spot treatment. Now, I want to talk about a product that was also in your kit that we haven't tried just yet. The Green Ceremony Cleanser. It's more of a thorough deep cleanser. I would more so recommend for a every other day, maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Since you are more on the drier side, I probably would do it more than 2 to 3 times a week. So you're gonna take probably about a quarter or so. So it should look something like this guy here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water. So once you'll notice with this guy here, it's actually gonna start to bubble up a little bit. So you can leave it on like this for a couple minutes or so. Like say before you jump in the shower, you just kind of go ahead and wash this into your skin, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then go ahead and hop on in. I am going to go ahead and recommend that at the very end of your routine, after you're done putting the Autumn on the World on, is when you're going to incorporate this guy here, the Creme de la Nuit. Nuit, you did get a little tool here, which is called the Mon Ami. It's an acupressure tool. So what you can actually do with this, you can do two things. You can use it as a little scooper for your product. And just like with the green smoothie, a little bit goes a long way. So this is a perfect amount for the face and the neck area. And then once you massage it in, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and demo just how much spreadability is. And at nighttime, you almost wanna have a little bit more of a thicker cream, just so that way your skin has more of that optimal hydration happening while you're sleeping. So once you're done with that, then you can actually go in with the acupressure feature of this tool, right between the eyes. So pretty much anywhere you feel like a little stressor happening. So for example, like myself, especially since we've been wearing masks in the office, I find that I tend to clench my jaws a little bit more. So doing like a little pressure here, a little bit like right underneath the ear, kind of where that little section is right there. Very, very helpful for that. I'm excited to see what the before and after this whole process is going to be, because when we're looking in the mirror, you can only really see what's going on like at the moment, but when you really see like when you first started to the end of the journey, it's going to be amazing.
Yes, I know. I'm so excited too.
So those are really the only kind of tweaks I would really do in your skincare routine as of right now, just kind of incorporating those extra little products to it.
Thank you so much for everything. I'm like, so far this journey like has just kicked off like phenomenally. So I'm excited. It's like I can already feel the shift in my skin. So thank you.